everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Ben, yes, Ben, and my channel is called Ecom With Ben. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sharing tips, tricks and other bits and bobs to do with e-commerce. Now, I'm not a guru. I haven't launched stores that have made 600,000 million billion pounds, but I do know a little bit about e-commerce. I know some useful stuff, stuff that I probably should use myself, if I'm being honest. But I just never got round to it, which is weird, right? Anyway, that's a different story. The whole point of this channel is to educate and to help people, because I know how hard it can be when you're first starting up a store, or if you've got an existing store and you want to keep that momentum going. Now, there's a couple of tips and tricks, like I said, that I can share with you. This is all unscripted. There's never going to be any forceful sells. Products that I use, if I spot an issue with a product that I use, I'll tell you, because in my mind's eye, it is better for you to be prepared for any eventualities than it is to just think it's plain sailing. If it's plain sailing, I'll say it's plain sailing. But if I experience issues, I'm going to share them with you. So rest assured, this isn't a cash grab or anything like that. The fact that I've even got to say that out loud in this day and age is actually quite shameful, but it's true. There's no courses. I'm not going to do courses. There's no secret hidden funnel for you to go off and get access to some miracle course that's going to make you billions by the end of the year. I don't work like that. That's absolute BS. And to be honest with you, it just doesn't sit right with me. I'm an old guy. I say old guy. I'm 48. I know a bit of stuff, and I just want to share that with you. And if I can, and I can help you make a difference, I would absolutely, it would be beyond my wildest dreams for you guys to turn around and say, do you know what, Ben, what you suggested helped me. It made me an extra whatever a month, or it generated 5 new sales. That to me is a win. Sounds altruistic, and probably it could come across that way, but that to me is I prefer that than trying to make billions of pounds. Okay, so there you go, quite honest and open about it. What else? I'm going to be covering, by and large, WooCommerce, okay? But don't let that put you off, because I know there's a lot of other platforms out there. I know that a lot of you use Shopify. I know there's lots of stores using open source solutions like OpenCart or CubeCart and various other different bits and pieces. And there is just so much to cover. It's huge. But my main experience comes from using WooCommerce. But saying that doesn't mean that you can't apply the same tactics. I say tactics because that sounds wrong. There's no reason why you can't use the knowledge in your own solution, whatever you're using. It could be just altering copy here or there. It could be changing the button text to make it more alluring. It could be real simple stuff, And also, I'm not a coder, so I'm not going to sit here and tell you how to code stuff, because to be honest with you, I can probably guarantee a large portion of you are far more computer literate than I am. Okay. Also, what else? I want to keep it short. I'm trying not to do it. It's 3 minutes. Jeez. I'm probably not going to be in it because nobody needs to see my ugly face. It's a face only a mother could love, and as my mother once said, it's a face for radio. We still talk to this day, but that was hard to take. But I love you, Mum. Anyway, that's enough from me. This is the intro video why you should watch the channel. I don't know, if you want something different, watch it. If you don't, go somewhere else. There is no harm, there is no foul. If you're along for the ride, just subscribe and click the buttons and that. I'll do what I can to help you get more and do more and make more money. But what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to sit here and I'm not going to lie and tell you I'm the path to your success and your future, because that's absolute BS. So if that sounds cool and you're up for it, subscribe and we'll go from there, see how it goes. Who knows? Could be cool, could be not cool. I don't know. It's an experiment. Bit of fun. Let's have a giggle. Let's have a laugh. Let's be different. Alright, till then, take care. I salute you, all you lovely people. And I hope to see you around. Okay? Take care. That's a catchphrase. I'm not having a stroke. It's a catchphrase. Yeah. Nice. It's another one. Probably won't use that one. Okay, see you around. Nice.